Namaste. My name is Simra. I'm an international meditation master. Today I want to speak the episode 4, Accept that you can fail. Six years ago, I wanted to make the yacht license, and 80% of the candidates are failing. With 16 years, I've done the sailing license, but today the sailing license is worthless. You have to make the international yacht license. And yacht license looks so: you make a theoretical examination, where the 80% are failing mainly, and then you make an examination on the small, tiny motorboat. And you never learn to sail on a sailing boat. And this didn't make sense for me. Still, I had to make it. So I learned like crazy when I was in Thailand, and I didn't have enough time to go through all examination questions, only 25%. And then I flew to Germany to make the examination. I rented a car, went first the training for the motorboat, and then the next day was the examination. Again, I had to drive to Hanover and so on, and there was a road construction, and I could not go to the school where the examination is. And I was circling around, big traffic jam, my God. Still, I made it on time and went to the examination. Guess what happened? I was in the wrong examination. I was in the examination for painters. Oh my God, I got in panic. No? And it was a huge building and so on. And I looked where the examination for the yacht license. So I lost a half hour. And then I got the question and so on, and directly blackout. I couldn't answer anything. And then I accepted that I will fail. And that it's not so important to go through it, it's a good exercise, blah, blah, blah. And this is a trick. Don't put yourself under pressure. Any examination is not life-threatening. Even your mind is making it. Accept that you failed and that you don't care for the results, so that you relax. When you relax, you can make the examination. So I was very bad and prepared. I agreed. And we had 4 hours time. I lost 3/4 of an hour, and I was the first one who was finished with the examination. I gave them the papers and so on. Next thing, it doesn't make sense that you overcheck the examinations again and again. It makes it much worse. You check it one time, finish, go, finish. Okay. And then we had to drive to the practical examination. And guess they told many people failed to making the knot correctly. I didn't have prepared that knot. And then I asked a girl, can you tell me how to make the knots and which knots we have to make? And really, I was damn wrong. Okay, then I learned them right on the spot. And then practical examination in a small, tiny motorboat. And we had to pick up a bush. guess what happened? Strong side wind, and the motorboat was going and changed the direction, and so on. And what should I do? I was not used on a small motorboat. And the yacht teacher told the guy who took the examination, who was making the examination with me, this guy here is used on heavy sailing boats. So he has a problem with a small, light motorboat. And then I could relax, and eventually I could pick up the boat. Okay, this was done. Then I had to make another knots. Okay, I trained it 5 minutes before. Also this, I was also there. And at the end of the day, I was one of the best. One of the best 150 people against 78% also failed. Learn to relax. Learn to accept that you can fail, that you get rid of every tension. And then the mind is creative. And unconsciously, you know the answers from the examination. You know them already. But attention, no, 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 I will fail, I will fail. You will fail if you're full of tension. But if you're relaxed, then everything is easy. Okay? Thank you that I could speak to you, and bye.